So I want you guys to try to say NERD and NMD 3 times fast. But nah, shouts out to Pharrell, once again, Adidas. They have another limited edition human race in partnership with, of course, BBC and Billionaire Boys Club. Oh, these are fire. What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. We really appreciate them. Thank you. So it's only fitting that I got my BBC shirt on today, so huge shout out to Billionaire Boys Club. We are unboxing the BBC NERD human races. So once again, a collaboration between Pharrell and Adidas, bring you another human race NERD silhouette. So if we look to my immediate left, you'll see the Homecoming NERD. And if you look to my immediate right, you'll see the ComplexCon NERD NMD. So there's a lot of NERDs, NMDs. Yeah, there's a lot going on there, but we're gonna unbox these right here, BBC pair. So same box top as you guys will find in the majority of human race styles. And let me know what you guys think in the comments, which one is you guys' favorite out of these releases. But I actually really like this color because green is my favorite color. Fun fact for you guys. So we have here the Billionaire Boys Club NERD NMD by Pharrell and Adidas. So we're gonna go straight into the upper. Features the full green upper with the neon NERD. So this is full prime knit throughout the upper. It has the NERD, so that's No One Ever Really Dies, an acronym. So you guys know we have the stars also on the upper. Comes with the tonal green laces with the 3M hits. And as I mentioned in a variety of our NMD human race unboxing videos, the majority of the human race silhouettes feature the 3M in the laces, but you have the tonal 3M there. On the outer panel here features the full boost, same as normal, has the trail outsole, which is common to the later human races. The original human races had the regular NMD outsole, has the green caging here, which you guys can see, green caging overlay. We have the NERD logo right there on the back pull tab, the red, and features in black and yellow. Boost once again, caging right there on the inner panel. And let's get to the outsole. Features like a neon yellow outsole, which mirrors the NERD on the upper. So we have right here, we have the Adidas hit right there in the middle. Once again, the trail outsole. And the only difference between the right and the left, we have the neon laces that are attached to the right shoe. Once again, the hang tag, NERD. There we go, same logo right there on the back. So the shoes pretty much mirror each other. So one last look at the BBC NERD NMD, brought to you by Pharrell and Adidas, exclusively at BBC, but we have them here available at Stadium Goods. And I have the Homecoming pair from the Shag Fest in Virginia, always hilarious. We have the ComplexCon pair, and lastly this BBC pair. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Which one is your favorite out of the 3? I'm kind of leaning towards the Homecoming, but this new pair is pretty dope. And of course, black on black is always fire. But we have all 3 available here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. We're open 12 to 8. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com for any questions or inquiries that you guys may have regarding Stadium Goods. Thank you again for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. And last but not least, please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And I am Fresco BK, and salud.